Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can track your phone number location and also the service provider. So I'm using PyCharm to code right here. So we are going to start with creating a new file, and that new file we are going to label it track.py because the extension of Python is .py. So I'm going to create a new file right here. So, and I'm going to label it track.py. Then we have a library in Python named as phone numbers. That is what I'm going to use. So I'm going to import phone numbers right there. Then after there, I'm going now to give a variable name number. That is now to have the number which you are going to track. So number is equals to, you must place now your country code, starting with the plus sign. So I'm from Kenya, that is plus 254. Then 41, that is my phone number, that is 7. I'm not going to show you my phone number. Then after here, now we want to get now the location. So what we are going to import from phone numbers, we have a certain library known as geocoder. So I'm going to import it from phone number. So from phone number, import geocoder. That is it. Then next we are going now to give a variable, let's say location. Location is equals to, now we have the phone numbers dot pass. Then right here we are going now to give our function, which is our variable, which is a number. And next we are going now to give the description, that is ch. So after here, now we are going now to print our function, that is geocoder dot phone number description. Then right here we are going to give the variable name, that is location. Then after giving the location, we want it want us the description to be in English. So we are going to have our language as English. So if we run, so we are going to run, that is track. So as you can see, I'm from Kenya, so, and our code name is plus 254. As you can see right here, we have our country name as Kenya. Next, we are going to now track the service provider of this phone number. So here in Kenya, mostly we have Airtel and Safaricom. So we are going to see which service provider is my phone number. So next, I'm going to, now from phone numbers, I'm going to import a library called carrier. Import carrier. Then after importing a carrier, now we are going to give another service, another variable, that is service. And I'm going to again give phone numbers dot face. Then right here I'm going to also give now our number, this variable right here. Then after giving the number, we are going to give ro. Then next we are going to print this function. First, to have now the description of our service provider. So print the values. We have a carrier dot now the description, name of the phone number. So we have this this variable right here, which is a service, and next we are going now to print it in a language that is English. So let us run and see. So as you can see, we have our country name as our location, which is Kenya, and also the name of our service provider, which is Safaricom. So that is it for today, guys, and on my next video I'm going to show you how now to install our libraries into PyCharm. That is Python libraries into PyCharm. So that is it for today, guys. Let's meet next time for more and more videos. So kindly subscribe if you're not subscribed.